An endemic species is defined as a species native to an area. An alien species is defined as species introduced by humans. And invasive species are defined as alien species which increase in number and spread rapidly because normal limiting factors from original habitat are missing. Like, for example, rats that were introduced to New Zealand and a ground nesting bird species became extinct. They compete with the native species. One example of an invasive species is the cane toad. The cane toad was introduced to Australia and other parts of the world to control agricultural crop pests on sugarcane. It is now classed as an invasive species as it has reproduced so heavily and its toxic secretion and skin is a threat to other animals and predators, as well as humans that come in contact. Another example of an invasive species is the zebra mussel. The zebra mussel is native to Russia. It was transported to the USA and other countries in the ballast water of tankers. When the tankers emptied this water in ports, they delivered the zebra mussels to new waterways. It grows so prolifically that it blocks drains, sewers, and water supplies and has caused millions of dollars of damage. One example of a biological control of invasive species is the rabbit hemorrhagic disease virus that was introduced to Australia in order to control the population of rabbits. The problem with this was the rabbits were introduced and the population exploded, which caused widespread damage to the crops and interspecific competition with local species. The solution to this problem was to introduce the RHDV, a virus specific to the rabbits. Tested under quarantine first to ensure safety, it was then released into wild populations. Adult rabbit contacts was the spread of the virus, but it did not affect any other species. It was very effective, though some evidence of RHDV resistance in rabbits is starting to become apparent.